Nominate a hero to win the I Am Law Award from the HigherSelf Awards. The I Am Law Award is given to those who advocate for, promote, and develop positive and constructive systems that support moral and humane laws and moral and humane application of laws. It is given to those who have made a commitment to humanity-based laws as a guide to maintain personal, family, and community unity, productivity, and well-being. The award categories are legal assistance, restorative justice, criminal justice reform, moral ethical advocacy. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to your family, neighborhood, city, or to our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Law Award at HigherSelfAwards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the HigherSelf Awards. That means your purchase will help HigherSelf Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.